Because I'm in the right place at the right time.
Good man.
Right? Yeah. I'm doing a show this year. It's called The Cracked Lens and Missing String. Each show is unique. You're going to see a show tonight that no one else will see. You're going to see a lot of my photography, and you'll never want to look at it again after we're done. And I'm going to play the guitar. And it's become almost like, you know, an evening with, because I tell stories. I don't know why the bass player and drummer didn't turn up tonight. It's very disappointing. Sting comes bouncing across the stage. They're going to arrest you. You cannot take that poor girl's guitar. The devil is saying, no, get that guitar off her, for fuck's sake, get it off her. No, I can't take her guitar. I got out my trusty field glasses and I looked back at her. She was sitting there with another guitar. I sort of think, how much longer can I do this? And I probably answer, well, forever. You know, why not? Until they take me away. I mean, basically, I've got to tell you, it goes down a storm every night. It's fucking magic. Thank you. Thank you. Great to see you. Thank you so much. See you next time. Thank you so much. Thanks for listening to me.